Today's topic is fractions, chapter number 7. A fraction is a number representing part of a whole. Exercise 7.1, first one. Write the fraction representing the shaded portion. In this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 portion. How much is shaded here? 1, 2 is shaded. In this, 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. So 3 3s are 9 is whole portion. In this, how much is shaded in this full? 8 is shaded, 1 is remaining. Here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 2s are 8. Otherwise you can count each and everything. The whole portion is 8. In this, how much is colored? 1, 2, 3, 4 ball is colored. Again here 1, 2, 3, 4 portions are there. In this, only 1 is colored. Same like that you can do the homework in this part. Again here too you have to do it like that only. Second main is color the part according to the given fraction. Here total part they given 6. In this only 1 we should color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. Any one part we have to color it. If you have color pencil, you can draw like the same like this figure in the notebook and color, not in textbook. Teachers will not correct in textbook, no. Again second one, total part is 4. In that only 1 you have to color. Any one, either this or this or this, any one thing you have to color it. So I will color in this portion. In 4 triangle, any one thing we can color. Here total part we have 3. 1, 2, 3. In this only 1 you can color. So I will do it in this portion. Anything you can color, but only one portion you can color. Here totally we have 4 portion. In that 3 we have to color it. So 1, 2, 3. You do the sum as homework. Next one is identify the error if any. They have given 3 figures here. The answer is all the figures are not equally divided. For making fraction, it is necessary that figure is to be divided in equal parts. Fourth question is, what fraction of a day is 8 hours? Since you know per day we have 24 hours, therefore the fraction of 8 hours is 8 divided by 24. If we cancel 1 8s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So 1 divided by 3 is our answer. Fifth question is, what fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? In 1 hour we have 60 minutes. So therefore the fraction of 40 minutes is equal to 40 by 60 equal to 2 by 3. Sixth question is, Arya, Abhinaya and Vivek shared lunch. Arya has bought 2 sandwiches, one made of vegetable and one of jam. The other 2 boys forgot to bring their lunch. Arya agreed to share a sandwich so that each person will have an equal shares of each sandwich. In this first question is, how can Arya divided a sandwich so that each person has an equal share? Second question, what part of sandwich will each boy receive? Arya will divide each sandwich into 3 equal parts and give one part of each sandwich to each one of them. So 1 into 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 only. Numerator 1 1 is there. So if you multiply 1 ones are 1 divided by 3. Seventh question is Kanchan dyes dresses. She had to dye 30 dresses. She has so far finished 20 dresses. What fraction of dresses has she finished? So total dress we have 30 and she has finished her work 20, and fraction of finished work is equal to 20 divided by 30. 0 0 will get cancelled. So 2 by 3 is answer. Eighth question is write the natural numbers from 2 to 12. What fraction of them are prime numbers? Natural numbers from 2 to 12 is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total number 11 we have. Prime numbers from 2 to 12 is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. We have 5 numbers. Prime numbers means the number which will go in that same table one time is called prime numbers. Hence, fraction of prime numbers equal to 5 by 11. Ninth question is write the natural numbers from 102 to 113. What fraction of them are prime numbers? So, natural numbers from 102 to 113 is 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113. So, they are 12 numbers. Prime numbers from 102 to 13 is 103, 107, 109, 113. There are 4 numbers. So 4 by 12 is equal to 1 4s are 4, 3 4s are 12. So 1 by 3 is our answer. 10th question is what fraction of these circles have x in them? So total circles we have 8. In that 4 circles we have x. So 4 by 8 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So 1 by 2 is our answer. 11th question is Christine received a CD player for her birthday. She bought 3 CDs and received 5 others as gifts. What fraction of her total CDs did she buy and what fraction did she receive as gifts? Total number of CDs she gets 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Number of CDs she purchased 3. Fraction of CDs purchased 3 by 8. Fraction of CDs received as gift is equal to 5 by 8.